Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be all about how to make your braids last longer. My first tip would be to find a professional, someone who is known for doing braids and known for doing it well. Also, this is a little bonus, if they can do the tucking method, it's a little bit hard to explain, but if they can do the tucking method, that's going to help your hair last a little bit longer. The next one is to get your braids done small or medium size. So like the size that I have, currently mine I would say is small/medium, definitely on the smaller side. If you can get them done small, this is really going to help your hair last a lot longer. The bigger the braids, the more frizz you're going to get, the easier it is to frizz up. The next one, if you can avoid it, please do. Don't get your hair wet, because once your hair gets wet, your hair underneath will start to revert if you have natural hair, or it's going to start to frizz. So if you can avoid getting your hair wet, definitely do so. So now the next one is, if you're gonna wash your hair, wash only the scalp. Leave the length of the hair alone, unless you went swimming or something and your hair got wet from like the chlorine or the salt water, then you definitely do need to go ahead and wash the length of your hair. But if you did not get your hair wet at all, then just focus on the scalp. And then last but not least is protect your hair, whether it's when you're taking a shower, you're going to bed, or you're outside and it's raining or windy. You always want to protect your hair from any harsh elements. So for me, for example, when I'm hopping in the shower, I make sure to put on a bonnet or a scarf to protect my hairline, to protect my hair from getting wet. And then when I'm going to sleep, I wear 100%. I'm always wearing a scarf or a bonnet. And you want to make sure that you're using something that is actually satin, because there's a lot of brands out there that are saying that they're selling satin, but it's not. You definitely want to avoid sleeping on just a plain cotton pillowcase, because cotton is known for removing moisture from your hair, and also it's going to cause frizz, it's going to cause breakage. Definitely invest in some good quality products to protect your hair. So I'll definitely have a link for these two items down below in the description box for you guys. If you guys have any tips that you would like to share, definitely do so. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me on there. It's just my name, Shanique Buntyn. That's the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.